Hello, it's that time for English at University, the series that teaches some English phrases to help you through your first year of study abroad. The first term is finished and the Christmas holidays are about to begin. The students at the University of Studies are busy preparing to go home, except for one.
Oh, I can't wait for my boyfriend to pick me up. It's going to be great, just hanging around, doing nothing for 3 weeks. A bit like here, really. Oh, are you not packing your bags, Mary? You've got a long journey home, haven't you?
No, I haven't. I left it too late to book a flight home and now they're all sold out.
No. Well, what are you going to do? It's Christmas. You can't spend it on your own.
Don't worry, I'm allowed to stay here. And I can do some reading and studying and watch TV. Anyway, I don't really do the festive thing.
Only me. Hi, Mary. Abby. So you heard about my feedback from Professor Knott then?
Yes, it wasn't great, was it?
Don't worry about that. They only say bad things to make you work harder. Anyway, Danny boy, what are you doing for the Yuletide period?
Going home to my mum and dad's, of course. Boring. I'm catching the train at 2 o'clock, so thought I'd come and say Happy Christmas.
Hold on. You've got a spare bed at your parents' house, haven't you?
Yeah?
Perfect. Mary can't get a flight home for Christmas, so she can go and stay at yours, can't she?
What? Really? Do you really want to come and stay with me at Christmas?
Well, with your parents, if it's not too much trouble.
Ace. I'll go and ring my mum.
There you go, Mary. Christmas is sorted. Have a good one.
Oh, Mary, it's so nice to meet you. Daniel's never brought a girl home before.
Let's change the subject. Fancy pulling a cracker, Mum?
Mary, it's time to be polite. Say how grateful you are, but set the record straight. Explain about you and Daniel.
Yes, of course. Mrs. Smythe, I'm very touched that you've allowed me to stay with you. I'm really grateful to have somewhere to stay. You're such nice people to spend the holidays with. Oh, Jim, doesn't she say such nice things? Daniel's really found a treasure here.
Mum!
Thank you. I'm very pleased to have Daniel as a good friend. But I think there's been some confusion. Can I just make it clear? We're not together.
No, Mum, we're not an item. Just friends, like she said.
Oh, right. No wedding yet, then. Oh, well, you're still a lovely girl. Would you like to carve the turkey?
Mrs. Smythe seems to like you, Mary. Well done for being polite and using these phrases. I'm very touched that you've allowed me to stay with you. I'm really grateful to have somewhere to stay. You're such nice people to spend the holidays with. You also told Daniel's mum that you're not mad enough to be going out with her son. Here are some of the things you said to clear up any confusion. I think there's been some confusion. Can I just make it clear we're not together? You can practice these phrases, pick up a few more, plus learn some top tips for studying in the UK on our website at bbclearningenglish.com. Now, Christmas Day is going well, and it looks like there's another visitor.
I'll get it. Professor Knott. Sharon? What are you doing here?
Hello! Yes, hello. A bit of a surprise, I know. It's just, I tried to find Mary at the university, but Abby said she'd come here. Ah, Mary, I wanted to say sorry for the confusion in our meeting last week and give you a Christmas present. So, here you are.
Gosh, thanks. Actually, me and Jim have bought you a little something too.
And I've just made some mince pies to eat. But go on, Mary, open your presents first.
All right. This is so kind of you all. Oh, lovely, Mr. and Mrs. Smythe. A woolly scarf and mittens. Very useful. A book?
Yes, it's my latest book, Funny Business. Look, I've signed it for you.
Thanks.
Well, as we're doing presents, you might as well open mine now. Here you are.
Goodness, it's a small box. A lovely bow. It's a memory stick with my name on it. That's brilliant. Just what I wanted. Oh, everybody, despite being a long way from home, it's been great being here. A real home from home.
Yay! Happy Christmas!
So, Professor, Sharon, would you like to stay for dinner?
Oh, yes, please, yes.
Happy Christmas, everyone. See you next term.
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.